Hello students, today we are going to continue chapter number 9, Symmetry of class 7th Mathematics. In this video we are going to start exercise number 9.1. Question number 1. Copy the following figures and draw their axis of symmetry. Now for the first figure, here the A is drawn here. Now we have to redraw this A and you have to draw the axis of symmetry. Now for the first figure, the axis of symmetry will be this one. Now for the second figure, the axis of symmetry will be. Now for the third question, now for the fourth, now for the fifth. Okay, so these are the answers. We have to draw the axis of symmetry for this given figures. Now question number 2, copy the figures drawn below and draw their axis of symmetry. Now in this figure there are one or more axis of symmetry for the first figure. So 1, 2 and 3. So for the first figure there are 3 axes of symmetry. Now for the second, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 axes of symmetry. Now for the third figure there are 2 axes of symmetry. Now for the fourth question there will be 2 axes of symmetry. Now for the fifth question four axes of symmetry will be drawn. Now for this last question 2 axes of symmetry will be drawn, that is horizontally and vertically. Now for the question number 3, complete the figures by performing reflection. The dotted line is the mirror line. Now here the one side of the figure is drawn already. Now this is the dotted line, which is the mirror line, which represent the mirror line. So now for the other part you have to complete this figure. For the first part, now for the second one, first you have to make the circle and then triangle. Now for the third you have to make T here. Now D, you have to make D in this manner because this is the mirror line. Now for the fifth question, now sixth question, now seventh question. Now question number 4, copy the following figures and draw the axis of symmetry. Now in this question you have to draw the axis of symmetry. Now for the first question, the axis of symmetry will be drawn like this. Only one axis of symmetry will be drawn. Now for the second one, this one. Now for the third one, this one. We have to check for the dot also. Now for the fourth, now for the fifth, now for the sixth. Only one axis of symmetry will be drawn for all the given figures. Now question number 5, if the dotted line is the line of symmetry, then complete the figure by drawing the other hole. Now here in this question you have to draw the holes. This is the mirror line. Now one hole will be drawn here and one hole will be drawn here for the first question. Now for the second question, one hole will be drawn here and one hole will be drawn here. Now for the third question, one hole will be drawn here and one hole will be drawn here. Now for the fourth question, one hole will be drawn here and second one. Now for the fifth, 1, 2 and 3 holes. Now for the last one, 1, 2 and 3. These 3 holes will be drawn. Now question number 6. Shade the squares to make the figure symmetrical about the axis. So this one is the axis of symmetry. Now we have to draw in this boxes squares. You have to draw according to the other side. You have to compare the other side and you have to draw these boxes. Now for the second one you have to draw these boxes. Yeah, the answers are also given. For the second one, the axis of symmetry is this one. Here we have completed exercise number 9.1. Now in the next video we are going to solve the next exercise. Till that you have to practice these questions very well. Thank you and have a nice day.